Hi YouTube, just some updates on one of me and my son's RCs. My son used to have the two-wheel drive Gravedigger Stampede. However, we wanted to upgrade all the RCs to four-wheel drives. So what I did, I bought a Stampede 4x4 roller, but my son still wanted the monster truck look, so I purchased 4 of the Gravedigger wheels. All of them are the rear wheels to fit the front hubs on the four-wheel drive. So we got the 4 monster truck tires, and I actually got him the Ford Raptor SVT body. Looks pretty good, turned out pretty good. Another thing we added was the VXL fan to go on the VXL 3S ESC, and we put the Integy fan and green heat sink to go on the Millennium motor. The model for the heat sink and fan on the motor is T8074 green by Integy, and the fan on the ESC is Traxxas number 3340, the cooling fan for the Millennium system. So this is just a little bit more updates to RCs. Thank you, YouTube.